Okay, I'm back. Okay, so real quick, we are going to wrap up our hair. So this thing, I really like it. It's a Locs, and I like the fact that it has an opening in it. So if you don't have like satin pillowcases, like a lot of them, because I have a lot of pillows. So if you don't have like a lot of satin pillowcases, then you should be wrapping your hair up at night. So here we go. So we want to put it in like this, like such. This is why your hair and locks is. Make sure that this thick part is down here. And then it's up. And you want to take it, and you're going to make sure your hair is tucked away in it. Make sure all of it is in there. Alright, it started to move a little bit. So you want to take it, tuck it all the way in there, and then you're going to just slide it down. That's it. Honey, that is it. All of my juicies are away. This thing do not come off at night. I do keep my wait a minute, one of them came out. I'm trying to lock away. So I do keep my edges out a little bit. If I decide to like clean my edges and stuff, I'll keep it out. But I'll be using men's paste, so I don't have to. And then if I'm ready to go to sleep, I'll just take it, cover it, go to sleep, night, and I'm good to go. So invest in one of these. So yeah, invest and get you one of these. Tucked away. Okay? It's not gonna move. I promise you. My hair, it don't move. So, but yeah, you better get you one of these. This is a great Locs. I got mine from, I hate to say it, the store, KC Beauty. I hate to say that store, but that's where I got mine from. And it's about $8, but I'm gonna give you a link so y'all don't have to go there and get chased around the store. Shade, tomato at them. So y'all can get y'all one. Okay? Have a good night. Make sure you wrap your hair up and wrap those locks up. Protect them edges.